and downloader. Right here. Downloader. I don't know why the internet all of a sudden starts running slow. I just did 2 other boxes today, like right before this, and did 3 of them yesterday. It was fine, but it's dragging today, so regardless, get the app updated, install, or whatever you want to do to it. I'm gonna update it real quick. I'm doing this in real time, so you should be able to keep up, especially since my internet's going slow. Once it's downloaded, open it. Hopefully it doesn't take this long. Okay. If it asks to move the folder, yes. If not, don't worry about it. It means it's in the right, correct location. All right. So the first code you're gonna put in is 461017. Oh, really? 461017. Wow. Okay, let's do it by hand. 4610. Oops. 17. Let it do what it does, and you're gonna install it when it opens up to ask if it wants to install or whatever. If you get asked to install unknown apps, make sure you click yes and go in there and click yes on the app so it can install. It might not have permission, so you might have to do that. Yes, it's gonna go wait for a second. Go to install on the bottom right hand side. You just can't see it where my camera is. Now, after you get done installing, you want to open it up and log in. At some point, you can do it now, or you can do it after. I'm going to do it after. I'm going to go back to the home screen, so I need to back to download it. Okay, so the next code is going to be, come on, this thing is dragging. 502863. Oh my God, come on. 502863. What the hell? Okay, now let me move the cursor. There we go. Price 502863. You're gonna install this one same way as the last one. I have no idea why it's going so slow. This is killing me. I'm glad this is the last one today. Click install. Come on. I'm sorry, it's too slow for you. Usually they're too fast when people make videos, so I guess it's a good thing. Oh my God, it's killing me. I'm eating and it's going so slow that I'm almost done eating, so it's just annoying. Is it stuck? What the hell? Come on. It seems stuck. I'm gonna jump out of here and go back to download it. So let's try it again. Sorry about this. 502863. Oh, now it wants to install. I'm reading the paper, so I didn't even see. It's ridiculous. You know what? I'm gonna install it again just in case it didn't install correctly. I'm glad I'm actually having issues, because that'll show you what to do if you have them. This is the first time this is ever jumping around, stuttering like this. Of course, because I'm filming. Okay. You can open it. I always open them just to see whether they install correctly anyways. Okay, and then you can log in. You can do it now and pause the video, or you can do it after. I'm doing it after. The next one is one more. Come on. Is done. 9 90757. Oh my God. 90757. Do the same thing, install it. And once it's done, open it. TV or whatever device you're on. You're gonna name a name. This is the third one for this person. So I just usually name them my number so they understand what room it goes back in. This was number 3 before. So I'm just doing the same now. I'm gonna block the screen. Yeah. This is where you're gonna put in your username and password. So I don't want you seeing what mine is, and I don't want to know what yours is. Just put in your username and password. Give me a second. I'm trying to read across the room. Sorry, it's gonna take a second. Well, I'm sure you're probably doing yours too. I'm almost there, people. Click add user, and you should get this screen, unless you messed up. Make sure you put upper and lower cases. Sometimes it's hard to tell whether it's a letter or a number. If it's an O, sometimes it's a 0, sometimes it's the letter O, so it's like, try it different ways if it's not working. Once you get in here though, you're gonna download these 3 things. Mind you, you still gotta sign into the other 2 apps. I'll explain why once I finish this one. Downloading. So after you do that, you're gonna go up here to settings. You're gonna go in general. You're gonna click auto start or boot up. You're gonna turn it off. Save changes. And then get out of this app. Now, this is when you go to the TIvimate app, which will be another whole different video. So stay tuned.